Hi guys, today I'm going to give you a review of the joystick named Thrustmaster T-Flight Hotas X. This is a very good joystick, good for beginners who play flight simulator games, and I use this joystick in the game called Flight Simulator Steam Edition. This is a very good joystick for beginners to learn how to fly, how to play with it. So I'll just give you a review of this joystick. This is the handle, joystick handle, free to move up, down, left, right. This is the hat switch. You can view around with this inside the airplane cockpit. This is the view changer button. This is the trimmer, this button, and this button over here. Both are the up trimmer, down trimmer. Over here in the front, this button, red button, this is the button for brake. When we apply the brakes while landing, when you press this, brakes are applied. Now let's come over here. This is the very nice throttle quadrant for the realistic views. Nice, smooth, easy to use. This button over here, number 8 button, this is for the lowering and distracting the landing gear of the airplane. When you press this, the landing gear goes down and then it goes up. The buttons over here, this is for the flap for landing, this is for the flap for takeoff, and this is for the spoilers. Over here there's a rudder control, easy and very good to use. When we have the ground rudder, the axis which moves like this, rotating. Over here we have the select button, the home button. This is the preset button which is used for calibrating the joystick. This is over here. Now let's come to the down. Over here it is the resistance control for the stick to move. It goes like this, moves. This is for removing the throttle. The throttle can be separated from here. The throttle can be separated here, and the joystick can be separated here. This is the button for PS3 and PC. People who want to play in PS3 can switch it and play in PS3, switch it to play in PC. And this is got a USB port. There is no need of installing this joystick with a CD. It's got a USB port and the USB cover in it. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe, as after some days I am going to play a gameplay of Microsoft Flight Simulator X Steam Edition. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.